Random seed is a Python method that lets you generate the same sequence of random numbers when using the same seed. Let's seed a random choice out of a list. So first, import the random module as R. Have a list L that contains the numbers 1 through 3. Then, we're going to do a for loop 3 times. So for I in range 3. The first step in this loop will be setting the seed. What is the seed? It is the value you pass in to the seed function that makes it so you get the same sequence of values from the random methods on multiple runs of this code. For the sake of this code, we'll make the seed the string jacobication. The next step will be to make a random choice from list L. With this code, every iteration of the loop will choose the same list element every time because we seed random with the same value every time. So why would you ever use the random seed method? Its main use comes up on writing tests to make sure your code works. The whole concept of testing is given consistent input, you should get consistent output. You pass 2 and 2 into an add function, you better get 4. Random seed lets you bring consistency to code that uses random functionality.